This 1973 Plymouth Barracuda has a numbers-matching engine and has been the recipient of a mild restoration that included a rebuild of the suspension components, brake system, as well as new legendary brand seat covers, carpets, and door panels. The white stripes contrasting with the Rallye Red paint definitely get your attention, especially with a white vinyl roof on top. Under the hood is a 318 cubic inch V8 mated to an A904 3-speed automatic transmission. It has disc brakes on the front and drums on the rear. 14-inch Mopar Rally wheels are on all 4 corners. Get the details on our website or see it in person in our massive 8-acre showroom in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. That's like the greatest indoor car show in the world. If you're looking to buy, you can easily search our inventory of more than 1,000 vehicles on the web at classicautomall.com. If you'd like to know all the advantages of selling your car through consignment, the information is available on our website, or you can chat with a professional who can answer all of your questions. It's easy, safe, and convenient, plus we sell worldwide. We're always adding new vehicles to our inventory, so make sure you check out our website, subscribe on YouTube, and follow us on social media.